Hello everyone, and today I will introduce you my strategy that I've been using from the past 3 years, and I would like to tell you how I do it, all right? Because we know that the market can be quite dangerous, but if you use the right strategy, you can overcome that and you can be successful. The first thing it's about what I do. Of course, I am a long-term investor, a crypto educator, and a long-term investor, and I've been investing in cryptocurrency uh, since a long time ago. And I've been using this strategy that I'm going to share now with you. I have been trading low caps. Low caps are those cryptocurrency that has a low market cap, all right? They are not consolidated as the biggest cryptocurrencies, as you see Solana, as you see Ethereum, as you can see uh, a group of blue chips and big caps over there. All right, they don't have that strength, but they are like, let's say, babies. They can grow a lot. They can grow fast, but also it's a risk investment. So what I do, I work in my low caps, okay, trading my low caps to increase my holdings of Bitcoin, of Solana, of other consolidated projects, all right? And it's been quite good for me. So now I'm gonna share with you. I would like you to have a look in what am I doing. I'm gonna go through with you here first in what is low caps and how can you use that? My good friend here, I would say Rio, okay? Um, this is not a financial advice, first of all. I choose Rio, Realio, which is, and I'm gonna tell you why I choose it. Because it is a RWA project, all right, real world assets, and it is good, okay, because it's a new trend that they are developing, and as it's a new trend, it's a new, let's say, new project on crypto right now. It's a new part of crypto, so we don't have those old and consolidated projects where it's kind of safe to invest. Okay, safe with crypto is not safe, but you can invest wisely, of course. And here it is why I choose Rio. Okay, first we can see here the market cap is just 74 million US dollars, which is low. Okay, which is really low. And I don't like micro caps, okay, really lower than this, all right, because then you're gonna get into another thing which it's much more risky. But here you can manage and get your profits to buy Bitcoin or whatever you want to do with it. But the main reason why I choose real over almost two years ago was because I've seen some potential over here. Okay, that's my when I first bought here was zero point 10. Yeah, 0.10 I think. Okay, now we have it is in $1.36, so it gives me 13x from my average price, which is good. Okay, that's why I'm telling you that it's not a financial advice. My entry point is really lower here, okay, than if you're gonna buy right now. So my risk is totally different from yours. Okay, but the point here it is, I saw a really upside, and it went to, I won't take this first stop here, which is $5, but we can take this one as 2.41, which we already reached the cycle, okay, which is good. And I saw a lot of potential on the narrative, okay, that's a new narrative here, and that's why I choose that real world assets, a new narrative. I won't go in fundamentals here because that's not the idea, but I want to give you a example in why I choose RIO. Okay, so on that time I found really interesting. The market cap was way lower. Okay, it was risky, but also I didn't invest that much amount of money, all right? Because I knew if it's low right now, on that time it was way lower, okay? And I told you I don't like doing it really much, but here we have one successful case that I would like to share with you. So what I do, um, I actually trade those low caps, okay? And that's why I want to go to the charts with you over here. Uh, you see my entry point was around here, 0.10, okay? And we could see that it's really volatile with literally ups and downs, okay? It's kind of dangerous for you to be holding it the whole time, this whole ride here. What do? I go all the way taking profits, okay? And increasing my I would say safe bags. Not nothing is safe in this world, okay? But I like to use those profits to increase positions that I have that can be safer, and I can also take profits for me. But what I do here, I check patterns, okay? And I would like to go with you in this one here, where I'll make an analysis for you. Here we can see that we have in this blue box a consolidation and resistance area. Okay, we we started consolidating over here since November all the way to, let's say, to March. Okay, in this same resistance and consolidation area here, which is really important because you don't want to buy something that it's a pump and dump, okay? That happens a lot. So I need a little bit of stability if I want to make a play, because we're not doing leverage here. We're not doing, you can do whatever you want actually, but I don't, I prefer to play safer, okay? Because if you make a mistake over here, you can get out. If you're using leverage, my friend, you get wrecked. You lose everything that you got, and that's not the idea. If you're investing, you're investing to make money, not to lose it, and that's the first rule here in this jungle. Keep your money, okay? Um, we have a nice consolidation here, okay? Boom, 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 boom. All this area, good consolidation. So we make resistance points broken here, and it turns into a support zone, okay, later on. All right, so it makes our support over here, and uh, it goes further. Since we have volume up over here in this arrow, volume up over here, you can see that in those two areas we got new highs, okay? And we can check the patterns also. RSI is over here, okay? Overbought area again, all right? Over here, boom, overbought area took us to the new highs, which was 80 cents, okay? Very good. And then to the, what I can say, the all-time high of this cycle, which is $3.11. What we make here, all supports, okay, all resistance areas, they become into supports. That's why I didn't put support. But we have quite a good support over here in Rio, okay? So you can use those patterns for you to make your next place, all right? And go, by the way, taking profits. Everyone that bought over here, okay, in this area, this again, and here again, got good profits. All right, you just are not in profits now if you bought in this top area, which I'm not a fan of it. Okay, before you buy anything, you gotta see how it can turn around. And what I can say to you over here, it's this box, it's a good opportunity, all right, that I took advantage. I'm not giving you a financial advice, even because you can't buy on the box at the moment. Oh, let's see, come back, because it is out of the box. But what I can say to you is we can predict what's gonna happen next by what happened in the past. Not always, okay, but can happen a little bit different. So, but at least we have an idea about what it's gonna happen, okay? About the RSI over here, you can see that every time that we had a top, it was in an overbought area. Which decision can I take here? First one, we still have room for a overbought RSI over here, okay? We still have room. So maybe we have a little bit of a grow over here. But also the pattern that we could see over here, it was all-time highs, okay? Not all-time highs from the last cycle, but of this cycle, all right? And three things together: a price increase, second one, volume going up, as you can see over here, and then overbought RSI, which is the strength index, okay? In this one here, same thing, okay? So what is missing over here for us to have a new highs, I would say, I'm not expecting new highs next week, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because we still have room to go over here, okay? We have a little bit of volume over here, as you can see, but nothing compared to the previous ones that we could see the first. Let's say this one is the first and this one is the second, okay? Oh, good. Yeah, a little bit. So first one and second one, and then if you wanna, we are missing here a good amount of volume as you have in the previous ones. The volume, it's like the acceleration of a car, isn't it? If you want to have speed, you need to work in your volume, and that's what we can see here from Rio. Okay, this is one of the peaks, and of course, uh, as soon as I buy, I try to take profits where I think is the not the top, because uh, you're gonna see a lot of guys telling you that they know where the top's gonna be, but nobody knows. That's the truth. And but where I can, let's say that I got into a position here in the box, okay? This was my position here. Let's say here around 60 cents, okay? Which I actually bought a little bit here again. Should I get out? Yeah, you can get out now with almost 100% of profits, okay, from the position. Yeah, give you 95%, okay, not bad at all. All right, if you go, but of course, if we go to the all-time highs from here, we have 400% profit. So yeah, a little bit more if you go above, then yeah. But now I think we can still have, all right, a upside over here. But of course, look at this pattern. It is always the corrections happen. Okay, every time that we reached the corrections always happen. You can take advantage from these corrections to position yourself, and also when we have breakouts like this, like we have had here, okay, you can use that to take your profits, and it's not bad. Let's say that I've bought over here for I've bought here $100 of real worth of real. All right, so you'd have almost 200 now. Little bit of profit, take your risk off. Okay, always take your initials off, otherwise you don't have that capital preservation that you need to have. You need to work in your risk management, and that's one of the strategies that I use. All profits that I have here, they are made for my main cryptocurrency bags. You need to have your own strategy, do your own research, but I'm here to help you doing your own research. All right, so you can use this chart, take a screenshot, whatever you want to do, but knowing that this is a low cap, okay, the risk is bigger, but also you can have straight rewards. All right, I don't make positions for too long time on these coins, because if the market goes down, as happened, okay, if Bitcoin goes down, if the king goes down, okay, low caps are the first ones to get hurt hardly. All right, so that's why make sure you can have more gains here, but the losses are much bigger. So make sure you do your own research, and of course, like hit the like if you did like this video, and of course I will be here with you again for the next strategy session. Okay, so see you next.